Climbing helmets are a critical piece of protection that many climbers underestimate, often choosing based on price or brand cachet rather than protective performance, fit, and versatility. A helmet needs to balance impact protection, weight, ventilation, adjustability, and compatibility with lighting and other gear across varied environments, from gym walls to alpine routes and forested work sites.
List number 1. Black Diamond Half Dome Helmet. The Black Diamond Half Dome is a long-standing, all-purpose climbing helmet that blends a lightweight, low-profile design with solid protection. It features a durable outer shell with an impact-absorbing foam liner and a configurable suspension system, plus an adjustable chin strap. Notably, it includes integrated headlamp clips for early starts or alpine missions and large ventilation ports to maintain airflow during warm weather. The helmet is positioned as suitable for cragging, gym use, and mountaineering, making it a versatile choice for mixed climb enthusiasts who need one helmet to cover many scenarios. In use, the Half Dome offers reliable fit across a range of head shapes thanks to its low-profile suspension and adjustable strap. The lightweight construction, around 340 grams, helps minimize fatigue on long approaches, and the headlamp clips add practical value for expedition or lighting rare sessions. However, some users may desire a more robust, low-profile fit system or additional sizes beyond small or medium, which could limit options for those with larger or smaller heads. The ABS outer shell combined with EPS foam provides solid protection.
List number 2. Black Diamond Half Dome Helmet. This entry mirrors Product 1 and serves to reflect that the listing repeats the same model with identical specifications and pricing in this dataset. Performance, use cases, and user experience are the same as the first Half Dome assessment. Pros and cons remain identical, and there is no functional distinction to justify a separate buying decision based on this entry alone. The lightweight construction, around 340 grams, helps minimize fatigue on long approaches, and the headlamp clips add practical value for expedition or lighting rare sessions. However, some users may desire a more robust low-profile fit system or additional sizes beyond small, medium, which could limit options for those with larger or smaller heads. The ABS outer shell combined with EPS foam provides solid protection, but the design leans toward a classic, no-frills approach rather than the most advanced ventilation or padding systems now.
List number 3. CR99 Forestry Safety Helmet Class C Hard Hats 3-in-1 Chainsaw Arborist Helmet with Mesh Face Shield, Earmuffs, Hearing Protection, ANSI Z89.1. The Safe Builder CR99 is a forestry-oriented safety helmet that blends an ABS shell with a comprehensive face shield, mesh shield, and ear protection due to integrated earmuffs. This model targets arborist, forestry, and heavy-duty outdoor work where facial protection and hearing protection are essential. It is ANSI Z89.1 Type 1 Class C certified and ships with multiple protective components, making it a full head protection system in one package. The 53 to 63 centimeter size range accommodates a wide array of users, and the build emphasizes modular protection for wet or dusty outdoor environments. In practice, the CR99's multi-attachment system and integrated PPE, face shields, earmuffs, add significant value for users who need instant protection in forestry tasks or chainsaw work. The trade-off is weight, around 1.1 kilograms, and potentially bulkier footprint on the head, which may impact comfort during long sessions unless the user has head movements well within the protective zone. Its certification and modular design make it attractive for worksite use rather than traditional climbing, but it can still function as a multi-purpose helmet for mixed activities where protection from multiple angles is.
List number 4. Outdoor Master Rock Climbing Helmet Adults. Outdoor Master's rock climbing helmet focuses on a budget-friendly, lightweight option with a PC shell and EPS core, in-mold construction, and a one-size-fits-most approach. It emphasizes a relatively tall top for improved airflow and a weight around 290 grams, aiming for comfort during long approaches. The helmet includes front and rear lamp clips to accommodate headlamps for cave exploration or early starts, and it's EN certified, EN 124922012, signaling suitability for mountaineering and high-altitude activities. The misty Sakura color provides a distinctive look while maintaining practical performance. In use, the Outdoor Master helmet delivers good value with a simple, one-handed sizing adjustment, making on-the-fly fit changes easier in the field. Its higher top design promotes airflow, which helps reduce heat buildup during long climbs or canyon approaches. However, being a single-size offering, it may not fit every head shape perfectly, and the overall build quality feels more budget-oriented compared with premium models. The inclusion of lamp clips is a practical touch for climbers who frequently travel at dawn or dusk, and the EN certification ensures compliance with recognized safety standards for mountaineering helmets.
List number 5. Black Diamond Half Dome Helmet. This entry repeats the Black Diamond Half Dome model identical to products 0 and 1, reinforcing its market presence as a staple all-around climbing helmet. Performance and user experience mirror the earlier Half Dome assessments, while the repeated listing underscores the helmet's status as a go-to option for many climbers. There is no new data to differentiate this entry from the first Black Diamond Half Dome assessment. In use, the Half Dome offers reliable fit across a range of head shapes thanks to its low-profile suspension and adjustable strap. The lightweight construction, around 340 grams, helps minimize fatigue on long approaches, and the headlamp clips add practical value for expedition or lighting rare sessions. However, some users may desire a more robust low-profile fit system or additional sizes beyond small and medium, which could limit options for those with larger or smaller heads. The ABS outer shell combined with EPS foam provides solid protection, but the design leans toward a classic,